Hello, here is Giorgio from Ksenia Security. We are an Italian company and we develop home security and smart home devices. We are a quite young company. It was founded only 10 years ago, and we are trying to reinvent the security system, doing a wide integration with many other systems. Today I want to speak about our control panel. It is called Lares 4.0. We have different versions. That one is wireless, that one is wired. It is a solution that starting from 16 inputs plus 16 outputs up to 644 inputs plus 644 outputs does speak the same language. We do have a different solution. We have our cloud-based infrastructure. It's called the Secure Web, where all the installer can program the control panel using any mobile phone. All the configuration can be done through our web interface, so it's easy to move from a PC or Mac to a mobile phone. For the end user, we have a dedicated mobile app where it can have the full management of the control panel and this configuration, so the security, access control, video verification and smart home devices. For bigger installation, we do have many integration. The first one we did a few years ago was with Control 4. Now we do have integration with Crestron, with RTI, and we do provide also other driver for other system. And it is available our SDK in order to do further integration if you need it. Everything can be finally controlled by our voice, by the integration with the Google Home and Alexa. So everything can be controlled with the simple voice commands. If you want to have more information, you can visit our website at www.kseniasecurity.com.